The way you are using AI right now, it's actually holding you back. We all being paid to use one tool for everything. But just like asking a fish to climb a tree or a monkey to fly, it just doesn't work. To truly unlock the power of AI, you have to choose the right tool for the right job. The secret that all pros knows is this: a fish is best for swimming, a bird is best for flying, and a monkey is best for climbing trees. Just like these animals, each top AI model have its own superpower. This video we are going to explore each AI model special abilities through practical examples. This will blow your mind how each model powerful for each task. Once you understand this, I promise your efficiency will increase at least 10x without spending single penny. I'm saying this confidently because honestly, I have been there. Use one AI model for everything. But after I understand the method I'm going to teach you in this video, my efficiency increased by 10x. That's why I'm telling you to watch this video till end, and let's get start the magic. First up, let's talk about anything creative or conversational. This is where ChatGPT shines. Its core strength is its natural and engaging dialogue. Let's tell ChatGPT to create a simple story for me. Create a simple story. The title is what's going to be the title? Let's say a day in life of a hacker. The sun had just started to rise, but Alex, a young hacker, was already awake. Okay, now I'm not gonna read this whole sentence. It's up to you, but look at how awesome this is. Notice how the response isn't just a basic plot. It's got personality and narrative flair. Let's try another one. I just tell ChatGPT to create a simple conversation between a marketing manager and the CEO of a struggling company. Let's try it out. Wow, look how natural it is. This makes ChatGPT the goat for brainstorming a blog post, writing a captivating email newsletter, or even just have a creative back and forth. You are stuck. If the task required human-like touch, imagination, or a conversational tone, start with ChatGPT. It's the closest thing to having a co-author in your pocket. Next, let's move to the technical side of things. For this, we turn on to Gemini. Gemini's superpower is its native multimodality. It was built to process more than just texts. I just uploaded Gemini to the ChatGPT's main chat interface, but I tricked Gemini by saying write a HTML and CSS to recreate this simple login page. This is no simple login page, but Gemini understands that. It's telling me the image you uploaded isn't a login page. And yeah, kindly, he gives me the HTML and CSS codes right here. You can see it. Let's check the web page that Gemini gives me. Okay, I'm just created two files by adding Gemini's codes. Let's open up the HTML file. Okay, wow, look at this. It doesn't just describe the image. It understands the visual elements and translates them into functional code. Yeah, I know this is not 100% perfect, but I didn't any white coding. It's just simple prompt. No, it's just simple wrong prompt. I can definitely improve this by white coding. This is the game changer for developers. Before we go to the next parts, I wanna give you a simple disclaimer. These are only my opinions. For me, ChatGPT is good for creative tasks, but for you, it can be another model. Why not? Do some research and find out what AI model is best for each task. I am not here to force you to use Gemini for multimodal tasks. I'm here to encourage you to use my tactics. So we keep that in mind. Let's move on. Now for the heavy lifting. If you have a massive amount of text, it could be an entire legal contract or a book chapter or a 100-page research paper, you need Claude. Its long context window is unrivaled. Let's find out what I just said. I'm gonna upload a research paper, upload a file, upload from this one, Greenfield 1941 research paper. This is what I'm going to upload to Claude, and I'm going to summarize the key arguments of this document and highlight any potential risks or conflicts of interest. So here we go. Wait for respond. Look at this. This is fantastic. Also, I'm not going to read that whole context, but you can try yourself. For me, this is best of all AI models. With Claude, you don't have to read hundreds of words. Claude can read and understand entire document at once, giving you a comprehensive summary without losing any important details. And it's also built with a strong focus on safety and ethics for sensitive topics, or when you need a thoughtful nouns response. Claude is designed to be the most helpful and harmless AI ever. Use Claude when you need to summarize a huge document, analyzing complex legal language, or have an emotionally intelligent conversation. Finally, for anything involving facts, data, or real-time information, forget the others. Go straight to Perplexity AI. What? Why is this guy telling you to forget all and use Perplexity? Why? Let me show you. I'm gonna ask a question from Perplexity AI. The question is, what are the latest findings on renewable energy breakthroughs in 2025? Let's see how it's gonna answer me. Give a few seconds. Perplexity isn't a creative writer, it's a brilliant research assistant. Its main strength is its ability to access the web in real time and provide you with a well-researched answer, complete with citations and footnotes. Look how cool it is. It also gives me the sources it's used to, you can see here, and also related questions. So we can dive deep into the question we have. This is crucial for students, journalists, or anyone who needs to verify informations. This is the best tool to bust myths. Trust me, you can bust all myths in your culture, myths that told by your parents in your childhood. This is awesome. With Perplexity, you don't have to worry about hallucinations because you can click on the sources and confirm exactly where the information came from. For researchers, fact-checkings, or up-to-the-one minute summaries, Perplexity is the champion. So I have to say, you are not using AI wrong. You are not just using the right tool for the right job. Need to brainstorm or create a project? Go with ChatGPT. Working with images or codes? Use Gemini. Analyzing a long document? Claude is the best. Doing a research or fact-checking? Perplexity is the only answer. Also, I have to say again, these are my opinions. Just my opinions. You can do your own research and find out what AI best for what task. It's all up to you. I'm just here to teach my tactics. Start thinking of AI as a specialized toolbox, not a single wrench. When you choose the right tool, your work becomes faster, more efficient, and lot more powerful. If this video helped you, hit that like and subscribe for more. Also share this video with your family members and your friends. Then they can also speed their workflows, and let me know in the comments which of these AI tools is your favorite and what's the one task you use it for the most. I really like to know that. See you in the next video.